What is up, you guys, and welcome back again to Ungeek. My name is Colin, and today we have another realme video for you guys. This is not the unboxing of the Realme 7i. We actually did that already. If you have not seen it, I'll link it up here or put it down below so you can check that out. What this video is a 24-hour battery challenge with the Realme 7i. Now, Realme Philippines asked us to create this video, and we thought, you know what, we'll rise up to the challenge. It could be a fun video, and it's also a peek into what goes on in my daily life while I'm pretty much stuck here at home doing content for you guys. Now, before we go into that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so because we're making more and more videos for you guys. Now, if you want to keep up to date with all the video that we're making, hit that subscribe button down below and then click the notification bell so you know when we come up with a new video. Now, right after you've done that, let's get into this video. So one of the key selling factors of the Realme 7i is its large capacity battery. This one has 5,000 milliampere powers, and it also has 18 watt super fast charging capability. Theoretically, this means that this phone can last you a whole day and more with just a single charge. And that's what Realme Philippines wanted us to check and try out for ourselves. And that's what we did. We actually charged this on October 15, but we actually started using the phone thoroughly on October 16. So from October 15 to October 16, we actually did not touch the phone at all. It got discharged maybe around 2 or 3%, but that's pretty much it. So considerably, it's still a bit of 100%. You know, it's still a little bit, full bar still. Now, upon waking up on the 16th, I already grabbed my phone and started going through with my 7 minutes of activity to supercharge my day. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I actually made a video a couple of weeks back about doing little bits of activity. Around 7 minutes of your time in a day can supercharge, whatever it is that you're going to do in that day. So if you want to know what that is, again, I'm going to link it up here or put it down below so you can check that out as well. So once that's done, I went downstairs and had my brunch. So usually I would watch or clock in my Netflix time whenever I'm eating. So that's usually brunch and dinner. I started watching Crazy Rich Asians. That's out in Netflix right now. And I actually enjoy watching lighthearted stuff, while I'm eating. I don't want to watch something super engrossing. So something at that caliber is fine by me. Plus that scene where they were making dumplings, man, that seriously stirred up some appetite. After that, went back to my computer, did a little bit of work, and took a little bit of gaming break. And when I say a little bit, it actually ended up 2 hours. I didn't know I was playing for that long until, the phone started heating up. But then again, 2 hours of straight gameplay, any phone would heat up at that point. I was playing Genshin Impact, which is a pretty demanding game for the 7i, and I was actually quite surprised with the performance of Genshin Impact on the 7i. Now, granted that I was playing it on low, however, there weren't really much lag spikes happening and or glitches because of processing problems. Actually, the game played pretty smoothly. Pro tip, if you're playing Genshin Impact, set the audio language to Japanese. It's like you're watching anime, and that's the reason why I did not realize I was playing it for 2 hours long. And to be honest, that's the only time when the phone actually started draining battery fast. And that 2 hours of game time pretty much slashed around 25% of battery life. But that's still quite big. I still have like 75% of battery life to pretty much power my entire day. Now, after sitting for that long, I decided to do a little bit of treadmill. So I strapped my Realme watch on, paired it with my Realme 7i, and clocked in around 30 minutes of walk time. I'm not that healthy yet to actually run. I'm doing like brisk walking at this point. But yeah, I mean, that's enough for now. Consistency is key, sabi nga nila. So hopefully I do this again and again and again and get my weight back to where I wanted it to be. After that, took a quick shower and then went back on working. Now, this time I actually did a little bit of studio work. I shot an upcoming video for an unboxing video that you may see in the next coming days. So watch out for that. By that time, it's time for dinner, and that means more Netflix time for me, and finished watching Crazy Rich Asian right on that meal. After that, did a little bit more work on my laptop, checked my email, sorted some email, answered people, here and there, coordinated with my team for the tutorial that's going to happen in the next week or months, and then played some more. And this time I was mixing checking my socials and playing League of Legends Wild Rift on the Realme 7i. I clocked in maybe around 3 or 4 matches before I decided to call it a night. and decided to shoot this video before I go to sleep. And right now it is around 2:30 in the morning and I have around 27% of battery left on the Realme 7i. Now if you're looking for a phone that can run with you through the entire day, this phone can do that. Now again guys, as of this recording, I have no idea what the price is. However, I will put the price on the description down below once I know what it is. And again, this is a really quick video of the Realme 7i and its powerful 5000 milliamperes battery. If you want to know more about the Realme 7i, do check out ungeek.ph as we've written our first impression article and we will be posting our review soon on the site as well. And that's it. My name is Colin and I hope this video somehow entertained you, somehow, gave a glimpse of what I do and stuff behind the scenes of ungeek.ph and how I shoot my video in my house. And with that, I will see you next time. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and as always, keep on gaming. Bye-bye.